exceptional quality in every deliverable. Good morning, team. Here's this week's reminder. Every deliverable tells a story about you before you ever speak for yourself. A slide deck tells a story, a status report tells a story, an email tells a story, a spreadsheet tells a story, and a document tells a story. The question is, what story is your work telling? Exceptional quality doesn't happen by accident. It comes from discipline, care, and pride in the work. It comes from reviewing your work before you send it. It comes from checking the logic, tightening the language, cleaning the formatting, and making sure the output is clear, useful, and ready for the client. Too many consultants rush work out the door and hope nobody notices the rough edges. Well, people do notice. They notice when the numbers don't tie. They notice when the story is not clear. They notice when the formatting is sloppy. And they notice when the recommendation feels unfinished. And once people start questioning the quality of your work, they usually start questioning your judgment too. Strong consultants understand this. They know quality is not some extra nice thing if time permits. It's part of the job. It is the job. You don't need to create something flashy. You need to create something sharp, accurate, and client ready. That's what builds trust, that's what builds reputation, and that's what gets remembered. So before you send your next deliverable, ask yourself one hard question. If my client or my senior leader opened this right now, would I feel proud of what they see? If the answer is no, keep working. This week, raise your standard. Don't just send work that is merely done, send work that is ready. Here's your call to action. Before sending any client-facing deliverable this week, do one final quality review focused on logic, clarity, formatting, and accuracy. Make sure the work reflects the consultant you want to become. Let's have a strong week.